This 30-ton automatic feeding hydraulic press is designed for jewelers and refiners producing small-weight gold and silver coins in batches. It adopts a split mold structure, which makes mold replacement and design changes more convenient, reducing mold replacement costs. Blanking and stamping are integrated into one process. One machine can cut metal sheets and stamp coins at the same time, so one machine replaces two. It is equipped with an automatic feeding and discharging system. Driven by a motor, it completes feeding, blanking, stamping, and ejection automatically. It is suitable for producing gold coins under 10 grams, greatly improving minting efficiency, and is ideal for small and medium-sized jewelers and refiners. If you are interested, please contact me.